Today's topic is Principles of Management, which is second chapters. First of all, we would like to tell you the meaning of principles. There is two principles. One is principal. That means you know. Second, which we are going to discuss, is principles, principles, but we pronounce it same. A principle refers to a statement. Statement everybody knows, and this statement tells us the fundamental truth. Fundamental truth means we can say that is just like a universal truth about some phenomena. Phenomena means actually it means principles, but here we are saying it theories. And this phenomena which are based on cause and effect, किस कारण से हुआ और उसका क्या प्रभाव रहा, इन दोनों के रिलेशनशिप को हम प्रिंसिपल में डिफाइन करते समय हम उसको लिखते हैं. आई अगेन रिपीट इट. इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ स्टेटमेंट दैट रिफ्लेक्ट्स, दैट टेल्स अस द फंडामेंटल ट्रूथ or universal truth about some phenomena, and this phenomena is based on what is the cause and what are their effects. It creates relationship between the cause and effect. This is your principle. But we have to discuss management principles. Management principles, dear students, are the statements of fundamental truths, and it acts as a guidelines. Guidelines everybody knows. Guidelines for taking managerial actions and decisions. Management principles are statements of fundamental truths, and it gives guidelines to the managers for taking managerial actions and decisions. मैनेजर के लिए ये गाइडलाइन देता है जिससे मैनेजर मैनेजमेंट से रिलेटेड डिसीजन को लेता है. Now we come on nature or features or characteristics of management principles. The main features of management principles are given below. First is universal application. The principles of management are universal in nature. We have taught you in first chapters that management principles is not universal like a science, but here we are explaining that the principles of management are universal in nature. See it. How? We can say it is a universal in nature. It means it is applied every types of organizations, whether the shape and size of organizations are large or small. Therefore, we say it universal application. Second characteristic is that guidelines. As we taught now that management principles are not static. Static means which are fixed. It is not a fixed, it is dynamic. And these principles of management cannot applied blindly in all the situations. मैनेजमेंट का प्रिंसिपल डायनेमिक होता है और हम इसे ब्लाइंडली हर जगह अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते हैं. The application of management's principles depends on the conditions and nature of organization. The manager must apply these principles according to the situations creates in the organization, and situation creates in the organizations, it depends on the size and nature of organizations. But before applying the principles, manager must keep in their minds what are the requirements of the organizations.